Kung naghahanap ka ng 7-seater na swak sa pamilya, pang daily drive at pang long drive sa probinsya, Hyundai Stargazer na ang sagot dyan. Hindi lang ito basta MPV na maganda ang forma. May performance, space at safety ka na all in one. Powered by Smart Stream engine with 115 power stroke, smooth ang takbo thanks to its IVT transmission. Upgraded na from CVT. Kahit traffic o highway, relax ang biyahe. Spacious ang loob for 7 passenger. Perfect para sa family o barkada. May 16 inches alloy wheels, sleek at modern look. And most of all, safety features like airbags and ABS para worry-free ang bawat biyahe. Not to mention for some of the higher variants, meron ka pang Hyundai Smart Sense technology. May dagdag na peace of mind with features like forward collision avoidance, lane keep assist, at marami pang iba. High-tech na, safe pa. Kung iniisip mong hindi ka ma-approve o baka malaki ang kailangan na down payment, relax ka lang. We can work out a deal para sa'yo. May zero down payment promo kami or kung cash buyer ka, you can get up to 120,000 discount. First-time car buyer, may second-hand car for trade-in, naka-bank loan na dati. Let's talk. I'll guide you every step. Transparent tayo sa process at aasikasuhin kita agad. I'm Chillian Siso, your Hyundai Sales Consultant. Message me here on my number seen below. Let's work out how we can get you approved sa Hyundai Stargazer mo. Thank you!